Hi guys and welcome to lottery number generator in Python. And now let me show you guys how this works. I have a reset button. I can always click on this button to regenerate numbers, as you can see. And you can exit out if you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit out and let's start a new tutorial entirely. There we go. So first of all, we want to import Tkinter as TK. So I'm going to say import Tkinter as TK. And the next thing we want to do is we need to import the message box as well. So I'm going to ask Tkinter. So let's say from Tkinter import the message box. And let's import random function as well. There we go. Now, right underneath, the next thing I'm going to do is just to create my lottery number generator plus. I can just call that lottery, let's say lotto number, something like that. That would do. That's the class I am going to be creating. This very class, let's come down here and copy these numbers. Just kind of like round it all up here. Let's say if underscore name underscore equals then enter a speech mark underscore main and underscore again, enter com, and I will say root equals tk and the app in this case is going to be equals lottery number, and that is going to be a child of the root. There, let's just say root dot main loop. There. All right, so I've started my class and I've rented it all up here. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to define some function underneath here. So let's say define, and let's get it initialized underscore, that is going to be self, comma, which enter semicolon. And this self dot root, let's say self dot root, and that is going to be equals root. Okay, and this set dot roots, let's use it to generate a title as well. Dot title, and my title I can just call it lottery number generator. There we go. Right, my app is now defined. Now let's create the label. I want to create a label on this very label of creating. That is going to be for my title of my project. Let's say label title underscore label. That's going to be equals label. Okay, let's say tk.label here. And A is going to be a child of the root. So dot root, comma, and the text that is going to be on it, that is going to be lottery number generator. So I'm going to grab hold of all of this. Paste it right in here. There we go. And let me define font for it. Let's say font is going to be equals area. You can use whatever font you want, but I'm just using area for mine. Comma. And let's say it's going to be bold. It's going to be 50. If you want, you can make it bold, though. Right? So now, so we can just make that bold. Yeah, there we go. Let's round up this label. It's tight. Come right down here, paste, and we just say dot grade, and that is going to be in row equals 0 and the column equals 0 as well. Equals 0. So since my lottery number is going to be, I'm going to be using 6 text widgets, so I'm just going to ask you to span that to be equals 6. And let's just add a pattern, a vertical one, that's 10. There we go. So let's save this. I'm just going to copy this and see what I've done so far. Save as. Let's say py underscore lottery. And let me save it in here. Save. And let's run just to see how that's going to look like. There we go. So we have our title. Now let's continue. Now the next thing we want to do now is I'm going to create a number variable. Okay, this number will be in form of an array. Let's say self dot no underscore text. It's going to take an array. Right, so I'm going to be using that now. So let's create 6 text widget to display the numbers for I in the range of 6. Now we say text equals tk dot text widget, and that is going to be inside the root. Save dot root, paste, then the width and height. I'm going to set it for 10. Height is going to be around 2. And the font, let's grab all of this, paste it right here. The font, I'm going to make that maybe 30, and it's bold as well. So run that up. So there's a text dot grade. That is going to be equals row 1, column 1. So grab hold of this. I'm going to grab hold of everything in here. Paste it here. Change this to row 1, column 1. get rid of this and adjust. Let's pad it to the x-axis, maybe about 5, and to the y-axis about 5 as well. Then I want you to be kind of like center out just as strictly. That will be equals NSEW, north, south, east, and west. Close that. Okay, so I'm also going to get it hand to the center. So let's see text dot tag config, and that is going to be center format. Then justify it to the center equal center. There we go. Now, see this number? I'm going to get it to append. So grab all of these, paste it right in here, and just say dot append. Append whatever you have into the text. That is it. Okay, so look here. This is wrong. That was meant to be square bracket. Yeah. And here I'm meant to have a comma there. Right, let's save that and try it out. Run. There we go, look at that. Now we've been able to generate our numbers. Just using generate the text widget using my for loop to generate 6 of those for me. Okay, that is done. Now I need 3 buttons. So let's create those buttons right underneath this. So I'm going to, first of all, let me start by generating them. Let's come in here. And I'm going to call that generate button, something like that. Generate button. Just lowercase generate underscore button. And that is going to be equals tk button dot button. And it's going to be inside root. Grab root of dot root paste. And what is the text that is going to be on it? I'm going to grab all of these. And I'm going to need a font anyway, so we'll grab all of everything here. Paste that here. The text on it is just going to be known as generate numbers. So let's change this to generate numbers. And here we have numbers. Okay, so change this to about 30. And what about the width? I'm going to make that about 18 or so. So grab all of this, come in here, paste, width equals 18. Alright, so let me run this up. Grab all of generate number or generate buttons, and it's going to be in column 2. Okay, paste this here and change this to 2. Row is row number 2, column number 2, and let it get a span 2 by 2. Okay, grab all of these, paste it right here, change this to 2. Okay, I think my button should be ready. Let's run this. I just want to see how the button will look like. Yeah, that's my first button. Look at it, 2 by 2. Very good. So let's just copy this and paste it right. And another one. So this button is going to be known as the reset button. Reset there, and another one for reset here. And the name is reset. Let's make this uppercase. There. This next one here is going to be exit. Exit here again, and exit right here. Uppercase E. There we go. Alright, so let's position them accordingly. This one will be, oh, it's in row 2, column 0. Yeah, that's a mistake. This one will be row 2, column 1, and this is column 2. That is fine. Now, they are all spanning 2. Yeah, okay, let's run and see. Run. There we go. Oh, there's an error here. Let's see. What did I do wrong there? Let's go back in there. This is row 2, column 1. Okay, this one is 2, span 2. Change this to 2. And I'm going to change this to 4. Yeah, that should get it sorted. Run. There we go. Look at that. Okay. So my buttons is ready. All we just need now is function so that we can generate numbers, reset, exits. Very good. Okay, first of all now I'm going to create another function here. This very function I want to create will just be the one that I will use to generate numbers. So I can call that generate numbers. Okay, let's say function generate numbers. Just make this lowercase. Oh, undo that. Do that again. Generate numbers. Underscore numbers. And I want that generated as self. Alright, so let's generate 6 unique numbers. I said 6 unique numbers because I don't want the same wrong number repeating itself. So first of all, I'm going to say, let's create one variable here that I'm going to call unique numbers. That is equals set. Now, let's say y, using a while loop, y pulling unique number less than 6. And we then say unique number dot add random dot rand int. Okay, rand integer, and the value is to be between 1 and 59. There. Now, we then need to display the generated numbers into the text widgets. So using another for loop, okay, you can say for I, comma number in enumerate. So come right down here and just say for I. For I, comma, number in enumerator, and grab hold of the unique number, enter column there. Okay, so we say unique number. No, let's just say unique number, unique numbers. Let's put, okay, I'll leave it like that. And I'm now going to say self dot number underscore text, numbers underscore text. Self dot numbers number underscore text and close value. I dot delete whatever you have in there before you regenerate and set it to 1.0 from to the end and close that. Now we then need to insert. So I'm going to grab all of this, paste, and let's insert here. Here, change the delete to insert. And that is going to be to the end. And what is to the end? That is because it's a text. It takes in string. So that string is number. There. This very one here. Yeah, that's fine. So we also need to then grab all of this and get a tab. So come down here and just say dot tab and add. That one is center. Yeah, centered and 0, comma to the end. Yeah, grab all of everything here, paste it right here, and change this to end. So this function here, I'm going to call it inside the button. So let's go to, you see this button, generate button. I'm going to say command. Let's add command somewhere here. We can just say here or wherever. Command that is going to be equals self dot, there we go. Okay, enter command there. Right, so I'm going to press enter so that you guys can see it properly. Yeah. Okay, let's try this out, this very function. First of all, save it first. Click on run. There we go, look at that. Yeah. Okay, we've just created lottery number generator. Look at that. That's brilliant. So now let's take care of these two functions here. Exit out, and right underneath here, let's say function reset. Function reset. Let's say reset number underscore number. Right. That's going to be inside self. And to play the widget, I'm going to say for text in self dot number underscore text. I think that's what it's called. Text with an S. Yeah, that's it. Now enter column there. Now I want the text to get deleted, so let's say text that delete. So I can just grab everything here. Let's take right here. Get rid of this text. This very text dot delete whatever you have in there, and that should take care of reset. So this resets, I'm going to call that inside my reset button. So let's grab this and let's go into reset button here. I just want it right. Okay, let's say comma here, and that is reset. Then there's going to be command there. Yeah, I'll just call it command equals set dot reset. Yeah, so let's try that out. Run, enter, reset. You can see the numbers that are being generated are unique numbers. So resets. There we go. That's it. Fine. So the last function is to exit out. With the exit out, I'll allow the system to actually prompt the user to confirm if they want to exit or not. So let's say function exit game, that is going to be self as well. And let's just come right down here and so prompt the user to confirm if they want to exit. So I'm just going to say confirm underscore exit, that is equals using a message box. Message box dot ask yes, no. Okay, so in here that'll be the title exit format. So I can just say confirm if you want to exit. So there we go. That is my message. Confirm if you want to exit. That's a question. So I'm now going to use an if statement to check if the selection is yes or no. So right underneath here, you can just say if confirm, this is the one, confirm exit. If that is equals yes or no, so let's say if that is equals yes, then I'm going to then say root dot self dot root, that will be dot destroy. Yeah, and that is it. Yeah, that is it, guys. My exit function taken care of. So I'm going to copy this and I will now call it inside the button right here. So paste this here, grab all of these, come on here. There we go. Command equals save dots exit gear. All right, so I'm going to run that now. If I click on this, you see that confirm if you want to exit. No, I'm still within the game. But if I dare say yes, here we go. And that is how you create your own lottery number generator in Python. See, with unique numbers of its own. It will now repeat the numbers generated. But before I leave, let me show you guys the entire lines of codes one more time. Take it from the top and I'm gonna bring it up to here now. Bring it down. There we go, guys. So with that, I'm going to say bye for now, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of this channel. There's a lot of benefit if you're a member. Bye.